Cross his path, hope he does the math. 1+1 is 2. But he's gotta be the one to reach out and take her hand. Play his part and protect her heart. That's what makes a man. He's gotta woo her. He's gotta woo her. He's gotta woo her into love. She was patient, though it was blatant. They were quite a match. After a while, he made the move, dial 7 keys to get her on the phone. Then he wooed her. Then he wooed her. Then he wooed her into love. He was clear with his intentions, didn't waver with indecision. Knew he just couldn't live without her. To marry her would be the cure. Then he wooed her. Then he wooed her. Then he wooed her as he should.